Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to turn on your iPhone flashlight by simply double tapping the back of your phone. First, open your Settings app. Now, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Inside Accessibility, tap on Touch, then scroll down until you see Back Tap. This is the feature that lets you control your iPhone by tapping its back. Now you'll see two options here, double tap and triple tap. For this tutorial, we'll use double tap, so tap on that. Here, you'll find a list of actions. Scroll down and select Flashlight from the options. This assigns the flashlight to your double tap gesture. Now, simply exit Settings and let's test it out. Double tap the back of your iPhone, and there you go. Your flashlight turns on instantly. Double tap again to turn it off. This iPhone back tap shortcut is super convenient for quick access to your flashlight without unlocking your phone or searching through Control Center. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.